Today we're making a warm chickpea flatbread that's simple, flavorful, and filling enough for an easy lunch or dinner. Chickpeas, tomatoes, spinach, and warm flatbread come together with simple ingredients that are easy to build and enjoy. Start by warming the chickpeas with garlic and tomatoes so everything becomes savory, soft, and full of flavor. Fresh spinach will quickly soften and add color, freshness, and balance to the filling. Warming the flatbread helps everything feel soft, cozy, and ready to fold together into an easy meal. Spoon the warm chickpea mixture into the flatbread, then fold everything together while it's still soft, warm, and flavorful. Warm, flavorful, and simple enough to make anytime you want something easy and satisfying. Before you go, you'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. I'll see you next time with another simple and flavorful idea.